Hello and welcome to NoBrokerage.com. So today we are at Landmark Group and हमारे साथ है मिस्टर साजिद सर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सेल्स। तो इनके साथ बात करते हैं लैंडमार्क ग्रुप के बारे में और जानते हैं उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में। हेलो सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम। सो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे यही रहेगा कि मुझे जानना है लैंडमार्क ग्रुप के लेगेसी के बारे में।
Landmark company has been founder is Mr. Sagar Malwade. He is a civil engineer by profession. He worked for 12 years in construction head in Sapurji Palanji, JC Homes Konark Builder. Then he started his own company in 2012 and started first project from Ulve location. So we deliver Ulve 7 projects: Landmark Luxuria, Landmark Solicare, Landmark Lotus, Landmark Pearl. And now currently as a group, if you see currently we have 24 projects, delivered project. But as a company, Sagar sir has launched many projects in Navi Mumbai. So we are based in Navi Mumbai. So our projects right now, we are having project in Nerul. That is the project is called La Palacio. We have project in Kharghar. That is the La Palladium. They starting from 6 crore onwards. We have a project in Pushpak Nagar. That is 4 tower with the 35 plus amenities. It's a big land parcel. 272 flats are there. We already sold 189 flats. We have project in Kalamboli, Landmark Light Republic, starting 2 BHK from 94 lakhs onwards. And currently we have also launched investment point of view one 200 society or lunch near Amity University, Panvel. That is a studio apartment of 200 flats. That is starting from 25 lakhs onwards. And we also launched one project in Nerul East also. That is also starting from 2 BHK from 2 crore onward. And so we have 3 projects in Nerul. We have 1 project in Kharghar. We have 3 or 4 projects in Kalamboli. We have 1 project in Pushpak Nagar and 1 project in Panvel.
सर आपने मेंशन किया था कि एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट्स वाला प्रोजेक्ट है, तो मैं उसके बारे में जानना चाहूंगी कि लाइक कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट इज ऑफ स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट्स इटसेल्फ।
Yes, yes.
एंड उसमें अमेनिटीज और ये सब भी।
Yeah, basic amenities is there. And there is podium parking and basic amenity clubhouse gym is there.
Okay.
And that is studio apartment, basically Amity University. That location is there with so many students coming from other state for study. There is medical college, there is engineering college. So for investment is very good for that project because only 25 lakh. But in exhibition, if customer is booking, so we are giving in 21 lakh rupees. And that is a fully furnished flat.
एंड मतलब स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट्स की फ्यूचर के बारे में क्या है, लाइक रियल एस्टेट मार्केट के हिसाब
As for real estate market is concerned, Panvel is a very big patch. There are so many developers are there, like Arians is there, Paradise Group is there, Wadwa YCT project is there, God is there, Hirandari. So in meantime, there is supply is huge, and all developers are making a integrated township projects. So there, if you see Sedung Naga, there is a Amity University, there is St. Wilfred School. So Amity University is a big landmark location, and there is for investment is people are investing 25 lakh rupees, 21 lakh rupees if today they are booking. So the 1 lakh rupees per month they are investing for 21 months. So they don't have to go for loan also. So minimum rental they will go 15 to 20,000 rupees.
सर। एंड नवी मुंबई का रियल एस्टेट लाइक कमिंग 5 to 7 years में व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि कैसे चेंज होगा या फिर व्हाट गुड चेंजेस माइट कम?
In Navi Mumbai, if you see already Nerul is very developed, and there are Navi Mumbai International Airport has been started, and Atal Setu has been started. BKC 2 is coming in Kharghar, so that is also, and then commercial building IT hub is coming in Kalamboli. So if you see all the locations like in Pushpak Nagar, the Pushpak Nagar right now rate is 6,500. So from 5 years down the rate will be 15,000 per square feet. So major development infrastructure is coming.
सर और फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स के लिए कुछ एडवाइस जो इन्वेस्ट करने का सोच रहे हैं अभी?
First time home buyers, people are coming in exhibition, they get various options. So we are targeting in Navi Mumbai. We have project in Nerul. If you are looking in Nerul, we can provide you one project. If you are looking in Kalamboli, we can provide you a project. If you are looking in Kharghar also. If you are looking budgeted homes also for investment. Pushpak Nagar, opposite to airport, we have a big projects we can provide. So we are targeting all the audience of Navi Mumbai customers. And in Navi Mumbai, there are so many builders like Gami is there, Bhagwati is there, Arihant is there. They are also big players. They also have a project in Nerul, Kharghar. They also project in Kalamboli, Puspak Nagar. So I think it is the right place to come and visit and get their option. We are here to serve the customer, each and every customer. So every customer can come and see the project which suits their budget. They can buy.
So basically, in Navi Mumbai, wherever people want to, like, they have interest in, Landmark Group has a project over there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Yes.
So if you're interested in any of the projects from Landmark Group, then please contact on the number mentioned. And और भी information के लिए visit कीजिए nobrokerage.com को.